Can you find anything but invest? Let's see how good are your eyes. It was here. Can you find the odd word from this? Hit the like button if you're able to find out before the time. Towards the left bottom. Now the word is stock. You have to find out the odd one. Last column in the center, stock. Question number 7. The word is Forex. You have to find out the odd one. Right there in the first row. Number 6. The word is REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust. Find the odd one out. In this case, I was before E. Number 5. The word is fund. You have to find the odd one out. This one has G at the end. Question number 4. You have to find anything but share. There you have. Number 3. Now the word is easy. It's 3 letters only. Buy. This one was BVY. Question number 2 is sell. Hit the like button if you are able to find out before the time. There you go. Okay, question number 1, that is the last question. The word is gold. You have to find out the odd one out. There it is.